One night in October. Nancy has the distinct feeling that someone is watching her.
Ron, I think I hear something.
Hoping to make sense of the inexplicable events in his house, Ron turns to his uncle.
My uncle was a priest, and I knew he knew a lot about that subject.
How can I help?
I told him the story, and I thought, he don't believe me. What am I going to do now? He's not going to help me.
We have things that didn't move in the house.
Ron can hardly believe the story himself.
Something very angry.
I didn't believe you lived after when you died. I believed when you died, that was the end.
Whatever we need.
And I said, can you come over my house and bless it, maybe? He said, yeah. I said, well, when? And he said, about 2 weeks. I said, I can't wait 2 weeks.
I don't know where else.
So he said, all right, I'll come this afternoon.
And Alan? In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
We actually had Mass in the house, like a regular Catholic service. And I was glad that we were doing something about it.
The priest blesses the entire house, room by room.
I was hoping that it would take care of the problem.
It was like a big question mark. Will this work? Will it not work? And that night, everything was real quiet. And I thought, well, gee, maybe it did work. Maybe that was the answer. But then it started with a vengeance. We heard a ruckus out on the porch. It was loud. A tricycle was just riding down the porch and back by itself.
Ron suddenly realizes that the priest had never blessed the porch.
Go to get a crucifix. I'm gonna take care of the porch.
I didn't know what was happening.
I grabbed the crucifix, thinking that was the answer. and it stopped.